I want a cracker. I want a cracker. Roll them into you, Kevin. Is the laundry done?
Yeah, green bird today for lunch.
Oh, he got off. He went on. He walked over on his own.
Yep. Up.
Oh boy, what kind of trick is that? The killer?
No, he just likes being flapped around. Might not look like it, but he enjoys it.
How do you know? He told you?
Yeah. Oh, as long as you don't squawk too much, then you know he loves it.
Does he bite you?
No, he'd never bite. Never.
But he will bite.
Uh.
I mean, he might bite you. He might bite somebody else, though.
No. The only time he bites is when you get real nervous with him. He starts getting cocky or whatever.
That's something. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We're lively now.
Happy birthday, dear Eileen. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right, nice shot.
All right, Kevin, that's enough.
Very good.